Tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear at the pump? I am going to show you how to use your Walmart membership to slash your gas bill at EXXON and Mobil stations first. You'll need to link your EXXON Mobil Rewards account to your Walmart account. Open your Walmart app and tap on the Walmart tab. Scroll through the benefits until you find the section about gas savings and tap the link to EXXON Mobil Rewards. This will redirect you to either sign into your existing EXXON Mobil Rewards account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the linking process. Once linked, you're all set to start saving. Now head over to your nearest EXXON or Mobil gas station. Make sure it's a participating location. Most are, but it's always good to double-check when you arrive at the pump. Open your Walmart app again. Go back to the Walmart tab and the gas savings section, and this time, tap on the button to find gas stations near you. After confirming you're at EXXON or Mobil, tap Start Savings. Follow the instructions in the Walmart app for activating the pump. Insert your payment method and start fueling up. As usual, the discount per gallon will be automatically applied at the pump. That's it. You've just saved money on gas with your Walmart membership. The exact discount can vary by location and time, but every little bit helps. Enjoy the savings.